Afternoon, guys and girls. This is a Lexus 2005 right-hand drive English version. Does work on other models starting from 2003 up to 2009. So I'm going to be taking off the rear bumper of my RX 400H. So all you're going to need roughly is a rivet tool just to pop out some plastic pot rivets type doobies. Flat-headed screwdriver works just as well. You'll need a cross-headed Phillips, and I believe it's either a 10 and a 12mm socket with extension. So basically my bumper's going to stay on, but I'm going to talk you through it. So to the left you've got a Phillips screw, anti-clockwise take it out. On the right hand side, same again, anti-clockwise take it out. To the left side first, go around to the left side of the bumper, and all we've got is, I don't know how well you can see them on this camera, but there's one plastic popper here and one plastic popper there, which is missing because some moron has siliconed mine in, so I don't know what the originals were. So what you do is you take out them first, then you go to the underside of the left hand side of the bumper, and we've got our first bolt, as you can see here. Then you've got a screw slightly further on, and then another bolt here, and then if you go slightly under, because there's a box in there, you've also got up there, that's got a screwdriver setting for a Phillips screwdriver, and one at the back here, so you can see where it is. And then basically that is it. This plastic boxing then gets removed, which is fine, and it's loose. Slightly to the right of this boxing, I've modified mine because I've done a tow bar, and I have done a tow bar video, but to the right slightly of the plastic boxing where I've cut it to make it modified, there's a plastic popper that also needs to be undone as well. So once that's done, you should be pretty loose on the bumper. So you come back to the bumper, you get your insert mudguard and push it inwards, and then up behind here, right up around this area here, is another 12 or 10mm bolt. That is this side completely loose. So then you do exactly the same the other side on your bumper. You take out what was poppers or whatever there was there to begin with. So then that loosens up the side of the bumper. Now here I have actually taken out all of my plastic boxing, because when you put the tow bar on you can't use it, but you have in the same place got one bolt here, which is either a 10 or a 12, one here, so that's a 3 in total. And then the other side of the exhaust is another one of the plastic poppers, so you just prise that off with your screwdriver. Once that's done, that frees for your plastic boxing to come out. Once the plastic boxings come out, exactly the same, move this mudguard, push it inward slightly so you can get to the bolt just here, undo that, and then your bumper, if you just stand to the side of it, pull it in towards your chest, that clips off that side, and then the same with the other side, and then your whole bumper you should be able to remove. And to put it back on, you do that in reverse order. Thanks a lot, cheers, bye.